Sometimes I don't need a sermon. I need a sign. I need a word. I need you now. I've been crying in the quiet when nobody hears my voice, waiting on an answer, still choosing to rejoice. I've been holding on to promises I don't see just yet, but my heart is tired and my faith is wet with tears. I know you're faithful, I know you're true, but yeah, I need to feel you move. I need your blessing poured out on me. I need a yes and an amen from thee. I'm standing waiting right where I am. I need your blessing. Yeah, please take my hand. I'm praying for the unbeliever who can't hear your call, for marriages barely breathing, holding on, about to fall, for hearts that feel so heavy, for bodies sick with pain, for souls that need your healing. Yeah, only you can change. I know you're able, I know you can, but yeah, I need you here. I need your blessing poured out on me. I need a yes and an
Yes.